What's up, India? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Raj Singh and you're here with me. Ravi? I forget. It's not about the place. It's about what you're gonna see in the next vlog. What you're about to see out here, it's just a typical day in Mandalay when you're there across in Myanmar. It's a typical day roaming around in Mandalay. So these are certain activities or footages that was caught live when you're traveling all around the world, and it's a daily thing. I mean, tourism is on the streets, ladies and gentlemen, and it's not cool. So you're gonna enjoy the video, and we're gonna have some coffee. Yeah, we're gonna talk later.
Okay.
729.
Stupak.
Okay.
Each stupak has the marble slab writing the Buddha teaching inside the stupak.
Okay.
It's 5 feet tall, 3 feet wide. On both sides, it writing the Buddha teaching in Pali language. Pali is the original Buddhism language. And if you read 8 hours a day, it takes 1 year and 3 months to finish. That's why all marble slabs are called Wapikes. If you like to see the real palace, you can check one of the Tikuk monastery from outside. Only 5 minutes from here.
Okay.
Yeah?
Okay.
And you can go back to your hotel after that. Tomorrow, 8:30.
8:30. Okay. Thank you. I'll give you a call.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
And also, you can send my email tonight.
Sure.
Mandalay.
Okay.
Maybe I will be in front of your hotel if you are sure.
Okay. I'll give you a call
Oh, yeah, yeah.
in the evening.
Yeah, okay.
I have your number. I'll go to the guest house. I'll give you a call in the evening.
Oh, yeah. The problem is if you are not sure, I will try another customer.
Sure.
Many customers would like to go with me because I can explain
Yeah, definitely.
the same price with the other driver or the driver, but I can explain. I can show more places.
You are expert guide.
Yeah.
Okay.
So if you are sure, I will come in front of your hotel 8:30.
Okay. I'll give you a call today evening.
Yeah.
6 o'clock.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
You barely this is gate inside.
Okay.
This inside the gate you pay 10,000.
Okay.
Go inside.
Okay.
Another key monastery. The 3 place.
Okay.
Same ticket.
Same ticket.
Yeah, same ticket.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
You are from? So you from?
My friend coming.
Over there.
Yeah. Should be coming soon.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
The call is you buy it and nobody. Okay.
Okay. Thank you. So the guy that you just saw, he was literally after me so that I can, hire the moped or the scooter from him. And, he'll take me around to all the different places, pagodas and all. And he was supposed to be charging me like 15,000 kyat, which is like 500 rupees almost, which I'm not ready to pay 500 rupees. I just paid him like 1,000 kyat, which is 50 rupees. I'm gonna have Cafe Noda. You're gonna have Cafe Noda too?
Yeah.
Okay.
I also bring two.
Okay, so we're gonna have Cafe Noda. We're gonna enjoy that. You enjoy the video and see how the life is, a daily life is there in Mandalay. So I'm gonna have my Cafe Noda, and I hope you see what happens. It's a typical day life in Mandalay when you're moving around on foot. And yeah, in case you know which place in Southeast Asia you have Cafe Noda famous, do comment below. And I'm gonna enjoy my coffee and gonna see you